If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Brianna, aka Bree Champ, and today I'm doing a soft girl updo. What I love about these type of updos is that they make you look like you do the bare minimum to look good. I don't know if it's me or if it's the universe or because it is my last year in my 20s. The wigs are not doing it for me no more. I don't like them. I don't like the way they make my forehead itch. I don't like nothing about them. So I've been on the mission to create this soft hairdo series because I just be want to wear styles that look minimalist, but I look good. Like I still give at the end of the day. And that's what I'm going for. I don't know, maybe because I'm about to turn 30, I'm trying to change up my style, but the great thing about this hairstyle, as you can see, this is not freshly washed hair. This is 2-week-old hair, and you still can do this style. Yeah, I'm always a throw in the wig, don't know what to do with my own hair, but I have been on the quest to figure out what to do with what God gave me, because lately that Instagram baddie aesthetic, it's just not hitting the same for me, and I just be wanting to look like, ooh, okay. Like I woke up like this, I just want to look flawless. You know what I'm saying? Like I did very little to look like that, and that's what I'm trying to give. But just stay tuned to see the rest of it. So as you can see, I know I'm looking rough, but once I get the edges tamed, it's gonna come all around. So just stay tuned and watch. So if you're watching this, I use some random track hair that I cut off an old wig. It's probably 8 to 10 tracks, and most of the tracks you can't tell because they're glued to one another. So I think that one has like actually 3 tracks that's glued to each other. I gave them a little sprinkle in the water, baptize them in the water to get the curl back, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle them. And we're not going to use no glue. We're just going to barber pin them things around our ponytail, and then we're going to eventually have to hide the ponytail. So just keep watching. Don't go buy no new hair for this. This look better with old curly hair. This hair you see me using is about a good 3 years old. Like, we on a budget. I don't got time to be buying hair to do no style like this. Keep it simple, babes. So when you're barber pinning and stuff, you want to offset the track. So the first track that I put in, I barber pin in the back. The second one is, I think it's going to be on the side, and then the other one's going to be in the front of where you start that track. So just kind of offset them.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
So right here, that little ball, you're gonna hide it. So you're gonna take the hair and put it over it, and then kind of like put a rubber band over it to hide it. As you can see, I successfully hit my ball, and now it's giving Jerry curl, but we're gonna fix it. Just stay tuned. I know I look crazy, but just stay tuned. It's gonna get better. All right, now, but before we get into slaying the heck out of this style, I want to interrupt these scheduled programs. A sponsorship by Tress Wellness. Complete waxing kit, you guys. I mean, these waxing kits are for the baddies. Like, I absolutely love it. This is how it came packaged. It was so freaking cute. It came with about, I think, 6 different scents of hard wax beads. Yeah, they were hard wax beads, and it came with the pre-wax spray and the after wax spray, which work miracles. Then you got your other goodies with your little sticks and your big sticks. So I chose the color gray. They sent me gray. I love me a good gray. As you can see, the background is matching as well. This is your little melting pot, and this stain gets pretty hot. It goes to 257. So those are all the things that they sent me. So yeah, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scented beads. So we're gonna go ahead and pour our beads in. I'm gonna be waxing my mustache today, y'all. But before we get into that, back to the hairstyle. I'm gonna show you how I wax later in the video, so stay tuned. I promise you wanna see me waxing my mustache. So once I clean my baby hairs up, this style is gonna look so good. I know it was looking rough, but that's the beauty about this style. You don't have to use a lot of product on your hair. And honestly, me, I don't like using all that product because that means I have to wash my hair more. So you probably like, what is she doing with the scissors and the lace front glue? Listen, I said I was tired of the lace fronts. I ain't say that's all I said, but I'm about to give myself some fake baby hairs, and they're gonna eat every time. So just look, it's gonna be a good vibe, y'all. So I'm gonna split this hair up, and then I'm gonna put it in between my sideburns, and we're gonna have a curly long baby hair because I don't have 3A 3B hair. I give 4C, so I had to fake me some baby hairs today. I did this on all four sides and even in the back. So I did it on my two sideburns and in the back. You'll see that I left hair out back there just for this. Now, in reality, this is how it looks. Like, it comes off every time. Like, golly, like, YouTube be lying to y'all. This stuff don't be as simple as it looks. So I'm just trying to keep it real. Make sure you put that second hair, you split the hair, put the fake hair, and then put your real hair on top of it. So it's seamless. Now, as you see, I am about to snatch my kitchen up back there, but I leave two little nappy spots out. You see them? That is where the fake baby hair is going to go. So pay attention. I'm going to split that hair in half and then put the fake baby hair in between it. And it's going to look like it could possibly be mine, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what you see me doing here is, don't forget this up. Make sure you spray some type of holding spray and wrap your hair with a scarf, because it's not going to come alive until your hair is in place and until the hair in the front that's coming across your face, until that starts to really like dry, and then you'll see it come to life. Because it just looks like I got a little mini jerry curl and it's not giving. But wrap your hair up like you see me doing, and I promise you, I literally did the rest of the video the next day. So the next clip coming up is the next day, and this is how it looked the next day. So this is the next day right here. Yes, it's giving bougie aunt with the money. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs in the back because I was not about to do them last night, and then I would have slept and they would have came out because I sleep rough. So I said, Brandon, let's be smart about making our content and like, let's just do this. This is actually my first day of residencies. If you do not know, I have a job as a nurse now. This is a finished look of my baby hairs in the front and the back. I feel like the light is not giving me any justice, or this angle. It's actually super cute. So anyways, back to the video. Like I said, I was in search for good lighting because none of the light was giving in my house that day. But I was like, I'm not reshooting this content. So I got it done. And I must say, I am giving like rich. Like, I can go snatch me up a 1,000 bill, maybe millionaire. I even went outside because I was going to get that good light regardless. Hi! Okay, no, let me stop playing. So today I'm going to be waxing my... I don't know. I don't even know if this is a good idea, YouTube. We're going to try it. So, first and foremost... I'm scared. That's what's first and foremost. And this is called pre-wax spray. So, I guess I gotta pre-wax it. Wax that all? Okay, stop playing. And I'm gonna spray it on my little pad. Gonna wipe my little mustache. Alright, y'all, so it's winter time and your girl gets like maybe 10 shades lighter. I don't know, I've been looking very much light and pale. I've been looking pale. So the lighter I get in the winter, the prominent the mustache gets. Zoom in. I know y'all lighter skin folks don't want to admit that you got you got mustaches, but we do. It's by default. Like, it's just there. Like.
And in the winter, you're gonna see it more. And the makeup can't cover it up, boo. So,
I have my wax kits here. Complete wax kit. And I'm gonna just get that off. Like, just get that off, you know what I'm saying? I love this little thing already. I just submitted. This is from Tress Wellness. Y'all go check them out. And guess what? The wax is waxing, babe. You can't tell I'm having a minor anxiety attack, but you know how much it's cost in a store? You know how much you can do for a $7 in a store? You're about to go down, musty dashy. Ooh, it's on there, so the only way it can come off is out. It's already dry. That was like 2 seconds, bro. Y'all know this is different when you're doing it yourself. When the people at the shop do it for me, it's like, okay. Muscle up, Brie. I'm literally sweating, y'all. I'm so scared. That went too bad. That is beautiful. My mustache is gone, y'all. You know what? I can get used to this. Let me do the other side, because now I'm not scared no more. Ugh. Hurry up for my camera down. Ready? Oh. It's giving Luigi, babe. It's giving Luigi Mario, the famous plumber of all time. All right, see, it's already dry. That was like 2 seconds, so. Lord Jesus, this is far. All right, so I'm done with this. I have did a great job. I'm definitely probably gonna use this for my underarms. I really love it. It's hard wax, but it doesn't hurt as bad. So now I'm gonna take my after wax spray, and they say to put this on after you're finished. I'm a little red, so hopefully it helps with that. That feels like some type of oil or something. Look at me. Good as new with no mustache. Bye-bye winter mustache. You thought you was finna play me? Think you finna pick through my... Thought you was finna pick through my makeup in the wintertime? No. So yes, guys, I love this. This is a 10 out of 10. Yes. Yes. See y'all later.
I must be the greatest. The champ is here.